Video I'll be showing you how to fix Pokemon Go make a new friend not working. So if you're trying to make new friends or add in friends on Pokemon Go and you're having issues with that, this is the perfect video to assist you in fixing this issue. So what I'd suggest is to go to settings. Now you could access settings by tapping on the Pokeball here from your adventure field. So you could tap on the Pokeball, click on settings in the top right corner. Now from settings, what I want you to do is to actually click on help. Now this issue is typically one that cannot be fixed by simply clearing your device's cache and data. Now you'd have to go to help because this is an issue on the server side of things. So go to help, then you'd need to identify friends, gifting and trading. Then you'd need to select adding friends. Now as you can see here, they are providing information as to how to add friends on Pokemon Go. So what I'd suggest you to do is to tap on contact us, and this will actually, let me click on a start a new conversation. So as you can see, this is what you would typically be greeted with. They're saying that they're receiving a high volume of support requests. Now what I'd suggest you to do is type the issue that you're having. So the issue would be make a new friend not working. And click on send. Now basically they will provide you with various options. Now you could tap on each one and navigate through and so on. So if they assisted you in fixing this issue, then you could allow them to actually say yes, they fixed the issue for you. Or if they did not fix the issue, you tap on no, and then they will put you through to a live customer server where you basically be able to talk to someone real and they will assist you in fixing this issue. So I hope this was able to fix the issue with Pokemon Go make a new friend not working. So let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thank you for watching. Hacker7 out.